Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide all posts on Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. Click onto profile, tap onto three dot, click on activity log, select the public post. Now shown here to all public post. Click onto all, tap onto three dot, change audience, just click onto only me. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily hide our post on Facebook.